Welcome back, guys. Quick one this morning. Just enjoying my coffee here and packing up and getting ready to go for the day. I've got on my list to retrofit some lighting in this camper. I want to move all the lights over to LED lights. I only run a single battery here. I'm on generator right now, but when I'm on battery, these incandescent bulbs, these 1156 automotive style bulbs, are way outdated. They pull multiple amps. They're crazy power hogs. No good for today's stuff. We can do a lot better. So I got these. I got two double dome fixtures because this one has a bad switch, and the one over here under the counter also has a bad switch. I have switches, but I also need a couple of sockets. The one in the bathroom is corroded and a couple outside. So if I swap these two fixtures, which will be linked on Amazon below, then I'll have the spare sockets for the other one. So I should be able to do everything kind of at a minimum price. Also, we have these arrived. These are the replacement bulbs, the 1156 single pole bulbs that we're going to put in that are full LED. And I don't know how these are going to look, but I think they're going to be pretty great. So we're going to find out. So I have no idea how these are going to be, but they got to be pretty straightforward, I would think. There's two. Must be two layers. Must be third right here. Good. No problem. So up against here. So we can use Maretts. Let's use Maretts for today, because that's what I've got. Alright, so this is kind of the challenge of working with this stuff away from home. I always have some of these Maretts with me, just twist connectors. This is not the proper final solution, but what this will do is allow me to put proper connectors on my list that I keep for every trip back and forth. And then I'll bring some home. But a quick test, hey, we're good to go. Man, that's bright. That's going to be great for here over the table. I actually just noticed the package that comes with them. That's what they give you. It's just Maretts. I think I'll put a proper terminal on, but that'll be good enough. And just like that, we have light. I am happy with this. This is wonderful amount of light. I really like it, actually. It's just the right tone for me. It's not super cool, but cool. So that's what I like. Yeah, a lot different than that one. You can see the difference. So even with the auto white balance. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and swap some more. On these, the positive is the one with the dual here. The common negative is there. On the trailer camper wiring, they have black as hot and white as a neutral, so white will be ground. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple. Good. All right. See? Oh yeah, that's lovely. Other tip, cover your drains when you're working over them. That'll do. Not bad. Sweet. One more tip. Save the tags from the stuff that you buy like this. That way, when it fails, you can have a chance of going back and finding it. I keep all the RV ducks in here. Thankfully, the person that owned it before me did much similar. So, yep, easy peasy. Okay, these bulbs are really simple retrofit. Just go ahead and slide them on in where the original 1156s come out, and we'll go ahead and we'll change them all. All right, all the top ones are done. Let's see what they look like. Not bad. I'd say about the same brightness as before. Tough to say. They might be a tiny bit dimmer. But for lower power consumption, I'm all right with it. With these high power ones in the spot areas where we need it, I think I'll be good. And then I have new LEDs coming for these, which I'll put in right after this. Okay, a few days later, and I was able to replenish the supply of bulbs. Should have lots to go around now, and then these 194s should go right here. Before, after. So it's definitely dimmer than the 194, the bigger 194s that were in there. But I think it's fine. I'm good with it. I like the cool white, and I think in the dark it'll be just fine. This one, same deal. It's 2 bulbs in this one, and I think this will be just perfect when we're done. Except I think this bulb is actually bad. Might have to touch up the solder on it or something. No, it's fine. Just polarity, I guess. Yeah, that's lovely. I like that. Perfect. We're getting there. And this one I've already changed, but does it not work? This socket might not work. Haven't checked it. Oh, there it goes. All is well. Wonderful. I like it. So they use virtually nil current, so this should prolong the life of our battery pretty good when we're on battery. So really happy with this. That's a good mod for the camper. Really functional mod, is we want to extend our battery whenever possible. So really happy with this. We're winning. One last change for the LED lights. I actually swapped all these back out again to the new bag that I got, because they're way, way, way brighter than that first batch I got, which was a different brand. They're all kind of no-name brand, but these are significantly better. It's notable. The lumen output, I'd say, is double. So I'll definitely link these down below. These are a must-have. I'm liking this a lot better now. And I have the spotlights above the counters with these fixtures that we installed, and I'm happy. I'm super, super content. I just can't wait to get my my current monitoring installed with that panel that I've made. Stay tuned for that. I laser cut an awesome panel, and I have my solar monitoring. Solar is going to go on the roof, and all kinds of stuff. And then we can start working with data. This will be fun. I like it.